Where's your ostrich going? Come on, ostrich. What's your birdie's name? Ooh, hi. You like your little bird?
I think it's easy.
Ah, boing, boing. Let's walk. Where's your brother?
It's right there.
Oh, he thinks it's a teddy little, what do you call those? Beanie Babies. Hey, big Beanie Baby.
It's a Beanie Baby bathtub.
Yeah, and what are you doing in there?
Take a bath and wash me.
With Beanie Babies? Do you like in there? Okay, let's see. We have a lot of Beanie Babies.
Mommy?
Yes.
It's on.
Oh, your little bird is standing.
We have to take a picture.
Huh?